Here are 5 of my favorite tips for content creators. 1, you want to set deadlines for yourself. That's right, hold yourself accountable. 2, you have to ensure that you're remixing and repurposing the content that you've developed. Always create content that can be used to create more content that can be used to create more content. You also want to block time, this is the 3rd tip, in your calendar for pure creation. I do a thing called Wired In Wednesdays where I put in my headphones, I wire in, I don't take any meetings, no events, no calls, nothing. I just wire in and I create. The 4th thing that I recommend you do if you're a content creator is focus on creating more than one headline. Write 5, write 10, get in the habit of creating multiple headlines before you press publish on a piece of content. And then the 5th tip for content creators is don't be afraid of being judged. A lot of people make the mistake of fearing how people are going to perceive them when they press publish on a piece of content. You have to be okay with the content that you create actually representing your own ideas, your own thoughts, and don't be afraid of being judged. Don't be afraid of being too promotional, because at the end of the day, these folks weren't coming to pay your mortgage.